Welcome back. Just about a couple of minutes left for markets to close. So let's do a quick recap of how things turned out. Once again, after that initial volatility right at 9:15, the market just bounced back and then didn't look back. 110 points higher on the Nifty. The Bank Nifty up 200 points, so the advanced decline was in favor of the declines. In terms of individual names, Mahindra was your top Nifty gainer, up 3.5. Bajaj Finance, Adani Ports, SBI Life, Lever, SBI, HDFC, ITC, Eicher Motors. These were a few other names which did well. On the losing side, you had Tata Steel and Tata Motors both down almost 2%, and ICICI Bank, which was down about 1%. Prashant, what about the broader market?
So more declines than advances today. 1,215 stocks lower and about 1,000, just under 1,000 stocks which were higher. So let me just take a quick look at what was down first with volumes. Delta Corp was down 4.5%. Canfin Homes was down 8%. Karur Vysya Bank was down 6%. GNFC down 5%. Aptus Home was down 5.5%. DB Corp lost about 7%, and there was Gati, which was down about 5% as well. So these are the large volume-led losers that we had today. Nigel.
Well, that's right. You know, the start of trade, you were wondering whether or not we're going to have another down day, but at least the headline index still put back. Though the number of stocks that were declining were way more than the number of stocks that were advancing, and that gap kept widening. You know, towards the end of trade, you had close to around 1,600 stocks that were declining and just around 1,250 stocks that were advancing. The cement space, that's the space that really is seeing a lot of interest. Sanghi Industries locked in upper circuit with a gain of close to around 5% midway through the trading session. Novoco ran up. The street is clearly expecting something because of the size of the asset. You know, 23 million tons, or if in case there is a consolidation, then maybe, in fact, that could be one of the key stocks that will drive it. And also, you know, the other name is India Cements. You know, we have a promoter entity in there with 28% stake. You have a large shareholder, Mr. R.K. Damani, with around 21% stake. The street believes something's got to give out there. Let's see whether or not something comes out of that. For the time being, we'll, you know, just to wrap things up, the Nifty ended with a gain of more than 100 points. The mid-cap index, as proud as can be, the Nifty Bank up close to around 200 points. We'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell, but don't go anywhere. A Monday special, Money, 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 comes up next.